All right, happy Thursday evening, everyone. Meteorologist Dante Ricky. We'll start off with a picture here, some ice and freeze over on the Hurricane Creek. This picture is from Amy Jo, sent in to us through Chime In. And we've had the cold weather last week, but still, after all that freeze over from the very frigid temperatures we had, even though it's a little warmer outside now, it does take a few days to really thaw out. So all this ice on the creek, a real indication of the brutal cold that we had last week. And we'll definitely take the warmer temperatures out there for this time of year. So for all of you, if you have any cool pictures or video you want to send us, go on down there on the web on that link right there and send them in, and we'll feature them here on air as well. Radar and satellite for tonight, partly cloudy skies, becoming a little bit more cloudy overnight, but the sun will be out tomorrow. Here's the picture. There's some thunderstorms right now through Louisiana, Arkansas, and into Texas. Some of those thunderstorms severe, but just really a lot of rain down there. An area of low pressure is going to develop along this, and as our next storm system comes in from the middle of the country, it'll ride that front, and that'll bring us the chance for some rainfall through this weekend. So on the storm setup, a cold front approaching our region. It's going to slow down. It's not stalling out. It's going to keep moving, but it'll cross through Friday evening and into Saturday, and that allows a couple disturbances to ride the front here, like this area of low pressure currently down into the south. And when these fronts, they move slower, but they will still bring those opportunities for rain showers. It's not a washout, but it will come in a couple of waves there on New Year's Eve. Let's take a look at the futurecast and plan it all out. Starting out with a few clouds tomorrow morning on Friday, but the sun will be out. Temperatures well into the 60s again for another great day here in December. There could be a spotty shower to the west in Ohio through Friday and Friday afternoon, but most of us will stay dry. Most of that rainfall comes in Saturday morning, and it comes in a few waves here. Very heavy rain through the morning, but still some energy the middle of the day and the afternoon on Saturday. It could be a spotty thunderstorm as some energy down in the coal fields comes through later on, but most of that rain coming earlier rather than later and still making things a little bit soggy out there. But it's not a washout. We dry out quickly for Sunday, waking up to partly cloudy skies out there as well. So what can we expect for rainfall totals? A good quarter of an inch of rain here in Charleston with some higher totals to the north and east, about 3/4 of an inch up in Parkersburg and Point Pleasant. Still a little bit early in time as that moisture moves into the region for the weekend. Low temperature 40 for tonight. Couple clouds out there, those light southerly winds. Also, watch out for a little bit of valley fog in and around the region. Not everybody's going to see that, but with those southerly winds, I think that'll keep a lot of that fog from actually being able to form. So conditions very good for your travel. Your afternoon and evening commutes looking great. Temperatures into the 60s for another great day for your outdoor activities on Friday, cooling down to 55 there later on in the evening, and still temperatures in the upper 50s for Sunday. And one look at the 7-day forecast, warmer temperatures and a thunderstorm chance Tuesday before we cool down later next week.